Why is database normalization important for SQL? Imagine building a house where every brick is perfectly placed, making the structure stable and easy to expand. That's what normalization does for a database. It keeps data organized so everything fits just right. When you work with relational databases, you want your data to be clean and easy to manage. Normalization helps you do that by following specific rules called normal forms. These rules make sure data isn't duplicated unnecessarily, and that related information is stored in separate, connected tables. Think of a table as a big spreadsheet. Without normalization, you might have the same customer's name and address repeated in many rows. This wastes space and can cause errors if one copy gets updated but not the others. Normalization reduces this by storing each piece of information only once. So, if a customer changes their address, you update it in just one place. This keeps your data accurate and consistent. Another big reason to normalize is to make updating data easier. When data is stored properly, you don't have to hunt through huge tables to find what you need. Instead, you update just the relevant table, and everything stays in sync. This is especially helpful when your database grows or your application needs to handle lots of users. It keeps things running smoothly without slowdowns or mistakes. Normalization also improves how quickly you can get data out. Smaller, well-structured tables mean faster queries. When you want to find all orders from a specific customer, the database can do that more efficiently if the data is organized properly. It also makes it easier to connect related data through keys, which are like links between tables. These links help you combine data from different tables quickly and accurately. Plus, a normalized database is easier to change over time. If you need to add new features or store new types of data, you can do so without messing up the existing structure. This flexibility is very helpful for backend developers working on APIs and server-side logic. They can build reliable systems knowing the data is well organized and easy to work with. Security and data management get better too. When data is stored in separate, related tables, it's easier to control who can see or change what. If something goes wrong, it's simpler to find and fix issues. This organization helps keep the database safe and trustworthy. In the world of relational databases, normalization is like a blueprint for building a sturdy, flexible, and efficient data storage system. It helps reduce errors, speeds up data retrieval, and makes updates less painful. For backend development, this means creating APIs and server logic that are more reliable and easier to maintain. When your data is organized properly, everything runs smoother, and your application can grow without hitting roadblocks. That's why normalization is such an important part of designing and working with SQL databases.